My dear students, dear friends and dear brothers and sisters, once again I welcome to all of you in Dr. S.CHANDRA online classes for education. मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, प्यारे भाई और बहनों, प्यारे साथियों, प्यारे मित्रों, मैं आप सभी लोगों का एक बार फिर से डॉक्टर एस.चंद्रा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर एजुकेशन में स्वागत करता हूं। आप सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है, हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, वे विद्यार्थी जो दीन दयाल उपाध्याय गोरखपुर विश्वविद्यालय से बीएड कर रहे हैं और बीएड तृतीय सेमेस्टर में हैं, उनके लिए एक कोर्स है पेडागोजी ऑफ स्कूल सब्जेक्ट्स, और उसमें जिन विद्यार्थियों ने पेडागोजी ऑफ इंग्लिश या अंग्रेजी शिक्षण का चयन किया है उनके लिए कोर्स का कोड है EDUBED112E2 EDUBED112E2। तो इस कोर्स में, इस प्रश्न पत्र में, इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में सत्र 2017 मींस फ्रॉम सेशन 2017 टू 2023, सत्र 2017 से लेकर सत्र 2023 तक प्रत्येक सेशन में कौन कौन से प्रश्न आए थे क्वेश्चन पेपर में, उन्हीं क्वेश्चन पेपर को हम देखेंगे, उन्हीं प्रश्नों को हम देखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो में। तो इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द अनसॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर्स फ्रॉम द सेशन 2017 टू 2023। Today's class, first of all we will discuss about the question paper of session 2017, then 2018, then after that 2019, 2020, and in the last we will discuss about the unsolved question paper of 2023, and we will see what questions comes comes in your question papers in each sessions. Dear students, question paper of session 2017 is on your screen. Paper 6 and 7 group E1 methods of teaching English in 2017. Methods of teaching English was in the group E1. Now the instruction note, कुल 5 प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए। प्रश्न संख्या 1 अनिवार्य है। Question number 1 is answer in about 200 words. A. Discuss the utility of library in English teaching. B. Importance of English as a second language. C. How will you promote the writing skills in your pupil? D. Briefly explain the aims of teaching English grammar today. Briefly explain the aims of teaching English grammar today. Now, section A. At least 2 questions. Answer limit is 1000 words each. Means you have to give the answer of each questions in maximum 1000 words. The word limit is 1000. Question number 2. Describe the technological aids as a language laboratory. Question number 3. Discuss the significance of English language. What should be its place in the secondary school curriculum? Question number 4. What is meant by communicative approach? Discuss the skills to improve it. Question number 5. Prepare a model lesson plan for teaching English prose at class 8th level. Section B. At least 2 questions. Answer limit is 500 words each. Question number 6A. Point out the reasons why English should be taught in Indian school. Question number 6B. A teacher of English must always insist on good pronunciations in the classroom. Explain why. Question number 7A. What are the characteristics of a good test? 7B. What is the good evaluation device for measuring achievement in English? Question number 8A. What is the importance of speaking skills for the language learners? 8B. Formulate the aims and objective of teaching English at junior stage in the school. Question number 9A. What is the recent interpretations of audio-visual teaching aids? 9B. How can appropriate teaching aids be selected for organizing teaching? Now we will see the question paper of 2018. Paper 6 and 7 group E1 methods of teaching English. Note कुल 5 प्रश्नों को उत्तर दीजिए। प्रश्न संख्या 1 अनिवार्य। Question number 1. Answer in about 200 words. A. State 4 basic language skills. State 4 basic language skills. Question number 1B. Explain intensive and extensive reading in English. Explain intensive and extensive reading in English. C. Discuss qualities of a good English teacher. D. Discuss the characteristics of a good test in English. Section A. At least 2 questions. Answer limit is 1000 words each. Question number 2. Instructional objectives and learning outcomes move hand in hand. Elucidate with examples. Question number 3. Discuss the general and specific objective of teaching English at junior level. Question number 4. Enumerate the uses of various audiovisual aids generally employed while teaching English. Question number 5. What is bilingual method? State its advantages and disadvantages. Section B. At least 2 questions. Answer limit 500 words each. Means from this section you have to give the answer of any 2 questions, but the answer limit for each question is 500 words. Answer limit for each section. There are 2 sections in each question. Then you have to answer each section in maximum 500 words. Question number 6A. What is the structural approach in teaching English? 6B. Point out merits and demerits of direct and or natural methods. Point out merits and demerits of direct or natural method. Question number 7A. What are the steps in teaching prose? B. What is oral composition? What are its aims? Describe. Question number 8A. What are the main causes of defective pronunciation in India? What are the main causes of defective pronunciation in India? 8B. How is silent reading different from reading aloud? 9A. What is micro teaching? Make a micro plan on a topic of your choice on a scale of illustrations with example. Make a micro plan on a topic of your choice on a scale of illustration with examples. 9B. Describe the different types of tests. Describe the different type of tests used to evaluate the achievement of the people in English. Now on your screen the question paper of session 2019 paper 6-7 group E1 method of teaching English. Note कुल 5 प्रश्नों को उत्तर दीजिए. प्रश्न संख्या 1 अनिवार्य. Question number 1. Answer each part of the question in about 250 words. Question number 1A. Use of audiovisual aids in teaching English. 1B. Main characteristics of a good lesson plan. 1C. Place of English in independent India. 1D. Importance of homework in teaching English. Section A. Note. Answer any 2 questions from this section in not more than 1000 words each. Question number 2. Discuss the process of teaching English by direct method. Illustrate with suitable examples. Question number 3. Prepare a lesson plan for teaching prose at 8th level on a topic of your choice. 4. Question number 4. Write an essay on the objectives of teaching English in India. Question number 5. Describe the various principles of teaching used in teaching English. Section B. Note. Answer any 2 questions from this section. Each part of the questions should be answered in not more than 500 words each. Question number 6A. What are the steps in teaching English poetry? 6B. Explain active and passive voice. Question number 7A. Define the micro teaching. Explain the various steps involved in micro teaching. 7B. Make a micro lesson plan for English teaching using the skill of introduction on your own topic. Question number 8A. Discuss the different types of evaluative techniques in teaching English. 8B. What is the importance of testing in teaching English? 9A. How can appropriate teaching aids be selected for organizing English teaching? 9B. Discuss the importance of bilingual method for teaching English in India. Now, the question paper of 2020 is on your screen. Note first, answer 5 questions in all. Question number 1 is compulsory. Answer 2 questions from section A and B each. All questions carry equal marks. Question number 1. Answer each part of the questions in about 250 words. A. Discuss the problems of developing English language in India. Discuss the problems of developing English language in India. B. State the general aims of teaching English at junior stage. C is explain the causes of poor handwriting and how it can be improved. Question number D. Discuss the qualities of a good English teacher. Now the section A. Note, answer any two questions from this section in not more than 1000 words. Question number 2. Discuss the role and importance of English language in building of a modern India. Question number 3. What are the components of a good lesson plan What are the components of a good lesson plan? Prepare a lesson plan for teaching English poetry at class 8 level on a topic of your choice. Question number 4. Explain the advantage and disadvantage of structural approach in teaching English. Illustrate with suitable examples. Question number 5. Write an essay on the nature of English language. Teaching English vocabulary is necessary for the second language learners. Explain. Section B. Note, answer any two questions from these sections. Each part of the question should be answered in not more than 500 words each. Question number 6a. Enumerate the characteristics of a good English textbook. B. What is the role of language laboratory in teaching English? Question number 7a. Point out the concept, merits and demerits of translation. 7b. Describe the types and purpose of audio-visual aids. Question number 8a. Explain the different types of tests used to evaluate the achievement of the pupils in English. 8b. What are the steps in teaching English approach? Question number 9a. What do you mean by micro teaching? Explain the importance of micro teaching. Question number 9b. Make a micro lesson plan for teaching English on skill of reinforcement on your own choice of topic and level. Make a micro lesson plan for teaching English on skill of reinforcement on your own choice of topic and level. Now we will discuss about the question paper of session 2023. Dear students, in 2021-23 in Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gorakhpur University, the CBSE system was started. In 2021-22 session, only the first semester batch was in university. That same to third semester in 2022-23. So the question paper of 2023-22-23 is on your screen for EDUBED112E2 English Group 2, EDUBED112E2 English. In that question paper, the important instruction in the question paper is in two sections. Section A is descriptive, will be of 15 marks, and section B objective will be of 60 marks. Section A will be deposited. In that question paper, the question paper was in two sections. Section A was descriptive and section B was objective. The time was allotted was 1 hour and maximum marks 15. Instructions, total number of questions are 6. Answer 3 questions in all. All questions carry equal marks. Now we will see what were the questions. The 6 questions. Group 2, EDUBED112E2 English. Question number 1. What is the role of English in present India? Question number 2. What are the characteristics of direct method in teaching English? Question number 3. Explain the principles of structural approach of teaching English. Question number 4. How is silent reading different from reading aloud? Question number 5. What are the general aims of teaching poetry? And question number 6. What is the concept and characteristics of micro teaching? Each questions have 5 marks. Each questions have equal marks, 5 numbers. Question number 1. What is the role of English in present India? Question number 2. What are the characteristics of direct method in teaching English? Question number 3. Explain the principles of structural approach of teaching English. Question number 4. How is silent reading different from reading aloud? Question number 5. What are the general aims of teaching poetry? And question number 6. What is the concept of characteristics of micro teaching? In this way, we discussed the question paper of Pedagogy of English from session 2017 to 2023 in this video. In this video, we see the unsolved question papers of Pedagogy of English from session 2017 to 2023. Dear students, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. I am sure that this video will help you in your preparation. The unsolved question papers or the questions of previous years are very important. And if you prepare all the questions in your coming examinations, the questions, more than 50% questions will be from these questions. So, dear students, get prepared all the questions. Be prepared all the questions whatever comes in previous year question papers. So, thanks for watching. Thanks to all of you. Dear students, please like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon all. Dear students, please subscribe the channel if you not subscribed, and press the bell icon. And thanks for watching. Thanks to